Welcome back. We are continuing our Disney theme this morning. Earlier we talked to you about a play in Frontenac with their junior high students, Beauty and the Beast Junior, and now we have a little bit older performers, not too old, performing Cinderella.
We're good with it.
Not too old. Well, thank you for joining us this morning. We've got Brianna Clark and Alex Cheney here to talk to us about Roger and Hammerstein's production of Cinderella.
Thank you for having us. Yes.
Okay, so this one, the show kicks off, it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yes.
Obviously, you guys have been working on it for a while.
We have, yes. It's been a process.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, but we're really excited about it. It's a great product, and it's a timeless show.
So you are the director.
I am, yes.
Tell me about the cast size, who you've got involved.
So we have people in the cast from ages 5 to ages 67. So it's a wide range, and it's a community theater show. So everybody comes together in their free time, and really, it's a beautiful thing because these people are giving their time just to create, some art. So our cast size is 40, 30? I'm not exactly sure, but it's a large cast, which is
a big crew
really
too,
exciting.
yeah.
Oh, absolutely, yes. But it's great, yeah.
Okay, and Alex, you play the role of the prince, right?
Yes, correct. And it's been a blast playing the prince, definitely a shy away from what I played before in other productions, being a crazy manic person in Matilda. So it's nice playing a different character for once.
Alex and I were trying to count how many shows we'd done together, and when we were waiting to come on air. So I think this is our 8th show together. Yeah.
So Roger and Hammerstein's production of Cinderella, how different is it than the traditional classic?
It's different than the cartoon version, but if you're familiar with the Leslie Ann Warren or the Brandy version that were on TV, it's pretty much like that. Adding the magical elements to stage is always a little bit challenging, but also exciting because you get to create this new idea for people. And some people might not be familiar with the stage show, and this is their first experience. So
do we still have a bibbidi bobbidi boo?
We absolutely do.
Of course.
Yep. Yes. We have a wand. We absolutely do. Yes.
Okay, so tell us when and where everyone can find this wonderful production this weekend.
So it is going to be at the Galena High School. Going to be March 3rd to the 4th at 7:30 and March 5th at 2:30.
Okay, so Friday and Saturday 7:30, and then an afternoon production for
a matinee on
show.
Sunday. Yes.
Is there a cost to attend?
There is a cost, and I'm sure you'll link it here for people to buy their tickets.
I think it's 15. Yeah.
Great, love that. Yes, I'm not exactly sure, but I'm sure you know. Yes.
But of course that goes to help support future productions
Absolutely.
as well too, so.
We're really lucky to have the support of the school district, but also we are a community theater organization, so we raise money and we create these wonderful things for the community.
All right, let the arts survive and break a leg this weekend.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
We will be right back.